Installing a 2.5-inch drive cage and drive backplane. Slide the drive cage into the chassis. Secure the drive cage with 2 screws. Lower the backplane down into the chassis. Push the backplane inward until the guide pin on the chassis is seated in place. Fasten 2 screws to secure the backplane. Connect the signal and power cables to the 2.5-inch drive backplane. Slide the cover plate into the slot until it is seated in place. Fasten the 2 screws to secure the cover plate. Reinstall the drives and drive fillers.